My name was Hadija. The reason why my parents came to this country was to get me and my sisters a great education. To get to school every morning, my dad drives us in his taxi.
Good morning, how are you? This is called a blog where you can make new programs.
I love debate because it gives me a place to express my viewpoints.
The women were excluded. All men had the right to vote. Even free slaves got to vote. Children get addicted and never stop.
It helps me be able to debate anyone, anywhere, anytime. I'm going to be the first person in my family to go to college.
Of the freedom that all male citizens could vote.
I think when I graduate from college, my parents are going to be prouder than they've ever been.